In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visualize Excel data in Tableau quickly and effectively. We all know that data visualization is a powerful tool that not only helps us understand data better, but also makes it easier to communicate findings. Today, we're focusing on getting you set up and running in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, start by launching your Tableau app. It's your gateway to opening up a whole new world of data exploration and analytics. Once you've launched Tableau, you're going to see a welcome screen. On that screen, look for the section labeled Connect. In this section, click on Microsoft Excel. This step allows you to link your Excel workbook, where your data currently resides, directly to Tableau. Now navigate through your files and select the Excel file you wish to work with. This part is straightforward. Just find the location of your file, click on it, and Tableau will take care of the rest. Once selected, Tableau will guide you to the data source page, displaying the sheets or tables contained within your Excel file. This is where Tableau starts to shine by visually organizing your data. From this data source page, you will need to drag one of your tables onto the canvas. This is like telling Tableau, here is the data that I want to work with. When you do this, Tableau will present your data in a tabular format. Notice how dimensions and measures appear on the left side of the screen. Dimensions are typically your categorical data. Think things like product categories or regions, while measures are your numerical data, such as sales figures or quantities. The next step is key to building your visualizations. Take dimensions such as product categories and measures like sales figures and drag them onto rows or columns, or even the marks card. As you start to build your visualization, Tableau will automatically suggest a chart type based on your selections. This intuitive feature simplifies the process for you and can be a great guide to choosing the right visualization for your data. However, you always have options. If the suggested chart doesn't suit your needs, you can easily select a different one from the Show Me palette. This palette is packed with various visualization types, from bar charts to scatter plots, ready for you to explore. Finally, refine your visualization by dragging additional fields from the data pane onto the marks card. This step lets you add more detail, color, size variations, and other visual properties to your chart. It's the finer touches that can make your visualization truly insightful and visually appealing. And there you have it. You've just created a visualization using your Excel data in Tableau. Remember, practice makes perfect. So dive back into Tableau, experiment with different data sets, and harness the power of data visualization in your presentations and reports. Happy visualizing!